morning, students. Today I am going to solve problems on Fourier transform, students. Write down. Find the Fourier transform of f of x, that is equal to 1 minus x square modulus x less than or equal to 1 and 0 modulus x greater than 1. Hence evaluate integral 0 to infinity x cos x minus sin x by x cube into cos x by 2 dx. This problem is very important, students. This problem is very important. Listen carefully, students. Do it and carefully. Right. So students, Fourier transforms. Solution given f of x, that is equal to 1 minus x square modulus x less than or equal to 1 and 0 modulus x greater than 1. We are finding Fourier series of this function, students. So Fourier transform of f of x is f of s, that is equal to f of x, that is equal to integral minus infinity to infinity f of x e power isx dx, students. So f of s, that is equal to, what is f of x, students? What is f of x? Since here modulus x less than or equal to 1, students, modulus x less than or equal to 1, that implies, it means minus 1 less than x less than 1 less than or equal to, students, minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. Okay, students. So here are minus infinity to infinity, students. We can split the limits minus infinity to minus 1 and minus 1 to 1 and 1 to infinity. So minus infinity to minus 1 f of x, students, beyond the limits the value is 0. So 0 e power isx dx plus integral, or students, minus 1 to 1 f of x value, students. F of x value is here 1 minus x square e power isx dx plus integral 1 to infinity, students. 1 to infinity the value is 0. So e power isx dx. So these two values are 0, students. Now to evaluate this integration, I want to use generalization of integration by parts formula, students. Integral of uv. Everybody knows, students. You can apply. So what is formula, students? U v1 minus u dash v2 plus u double dash v3 minus and so on. Now what is u here, students? U is 1 minus x square. And what is v, students? E power isx. So that is equal to 1 minus x square integral of e power isx, students. So e power isx by is. Minus u dash, students. 1 minus x square derivative. So minus 2x. v2, students, integration of e power isx by is, students. So we get e power isx by is whole square. Then plus, students, plus u double dash, students, minus 2, derivative of x is 1, students. Derivative of x is 1. So again integral of this one, students. So e power isx by is whole cube. What is next term, students? Derivative of 2. Derivative of 2 is 0. So there is no need to write, students. So between the limits minus 1 to 1, students. Now substitute upper limit, students. 1 minus 1. So the value is 0. Here also minus into minus plus 2 into 1 2 e power is x value is 1 students divided by I square. I square means minus 1 square. Minus 1 square. So minus 2 e power is x value students 1. So divided by I cube. I cube means it can witness I square into I. So minus I yes. Minus I yes. Yes cube students. I s cube. Now substitute lower limit students. Lower limit. So minus 1 whole square students. Minus 1 whole square. So the value is 0. And then minus bracket. Already we have minus here students. Minus into minus plus. Again now x value is minus 1 students. Finally we get here plus 2 e power minus is. X value is minus 1 students. So get minus is divided by I square means minus 1 students s square minus again minus into minus plus students. We are substituting lower limit students. So minus into minus plus. So e power minus is because x value is minus 1 divided by I cube. I cube means minus I students. Minus I s cube. Minus I s cube. So that is equal to we have 2 students 2. So taking common 2 by s square students, 2 by s square we get here students e power is and here also 2 by s square students. Taking count minus we get here minus e power minus is. Again taking common minus 2 by I s cube students, 2s cube. So here students we get here 2 by minus is cube, minus into minus plus here. There is no students plus. There is no common minus students plus 2 by is cube common. We get here e power is. Here plus into minus minus students e power minus is. E power minus is. So that is equal to multiply with 2 students here. Multiply 2 by 2 we get here minus 4 by s square into e power is minus e power minus is by 2 students here. Here plus multiply 2 by 2 students here also 2 by 2, that means we get here 4 by s cube into e power is minus e power minus is divided by already we have 2 I students, so 2I. That is equal to minus 4 by s square. So students, we done some mistake here, that is minus 2. Here we have minus 1 student. We are taking minus students, so we get here plus students. Plus. Okay students. Now we have formula students. Its formula is minus 4 by s square into cos s students. Cos s plus 4 by s cube. 4 by s cube into this formula is sin s students. Sin s. Now LCM students, do it LCM. So s cube is LCM students. We get here 4, take common 4 students, 4 sin s minus 4 yes because we are already taking common 4 s cos s. This is the Fourier transform students, f of s. This is the Fourier transform. Now let us see how to evaluate this integration students. Let us see students. Say I want to evaluate this integration, integral 0 to infinity x cos x minus sin x by x cube cos x by 2 dx students. To evaluate this integration, I want to use inverse Fourier transform students. What students? Inverse Fourier transform. What is inverse Fourier transform students? Inverse Fourier transform. What is inverse Fourier transform, students? F of x that is equal to 1 by 2 pi integral minus infinity infinity f of s, students, f of capital F of s e power minus is x ds, e power minus is x ds. So f of x that is equal to 1 by 2 pi integral minus infinity infinity f of s, students. What is f of s? This one, students, 4 sin s minus s cos s divided by s cube into e power minus is x ds, e power minus is x ds, students. Now compare these two, students. Compare these two. Here we have cos x by 2, students. Cos x by 2. Cos x by 2. How can you get cos x by 2, students? We know here, students, e power ix. E power x is cos x plus I sin x, students. Cos x plus I sin x. So we have x by 2, students. So suitable substitution here. What is suitable substitution? Put x is equal to 1 by 2, students. Put x is equal to 1 by 2 to get cos x by 2, students. Right. Here we have x, students. So f of 1 by 2, students. F of 1 by 2 that is equal to 1 by 2 pi integral minus infinity infinity 4 into sin s minus s cos s divided by s cube e power, how many times, students, here minus is x value is 1 by 2, students. So is by 2 ds, is by 2 ds. So that is equal to f of 1 by 2, students. F of 1 by 2. What is our function here, students? Modulus x less than or equal to 1 means minus 1 less than x less than or equal to 1, students. So 1 by 2 is lies between minus 1 to 1, students. 1 by 2 values lies between. So 1 minus x square, that means 1 minus 1 by 2 whole square, because x value is 1 by 2. So 1 minus 1 by 2 whole square, that is equal to 1 by 2 pi integral minus infinity infinity 4 sin s minus s cos s divided by s cube. See, students, e power x means cos x plus I sin x. E power minus ix means cos x minus I sin x. So we get here cos, tell me, students, s by 2 minus I sin s by 2 into ds. So that is equal, that implies 1 minus 1 by 4. 1 minus 1 by 4, that is equal to 1 by 2 pi. Multiply, students, and apply integration on each term. So 1 by 2 pi into integral minus infinity infinity 4 sin s minus s cos s by s cube into cos s by 2 ds minus integral minus infinity infinity 4 sin s minus s cos s divided by s cube into I write an outside, students, sin s by 2 ds, bracket close, students, bracket close. Now see, students, here sin s is odd, students, minus s is odd into cos s is even, students, divided by odd. So that is equal to odd minus odd, students, divided by odd. Odd minus odd means we get odd, students. Odd by odd is even, students. Odd by odd is even. So this function is even, students. Even into even, we get even, students. Now here even into odd students, even because sinus by 2 is odd, so even into odd is odd. Whenever minus infinity, when the function is odd, the value is 0 students, the value is 0, value is 0. So LCM is 4 students, 4 minus 1, so we get here 3 by 4, that is equal to 1 by 2 pi, right? 4 outside students, 4. Now this minus infinity can witness students 2 into integral 0 to infinity sin s minus s cos s divided by s cube into cos s by 2 ds. 2 cancel students, 2 cancel. We get here 4 by pi cross multiply students. We get here finally, rearrange the terms here. Finally, see students, x cos x students. So taking count minus here also. Okay students. Finally, I got here integral 0 to infinity. Taking count minus here, we get here minus of s cos s minus sin s divided by s cube into cos s by 2 ds, that is equal to 4 fours are 16 students. The denominator value is 16, so 3 into pi, 3 pi. Multiply with minus students, so minus into minus, so both sides multiply, we get plus here. Finally the value is minus 3 pi by 16 students, minus 3 pi by 16. Once again students, to evaluate this integration, we are using inverse Fourier transform students. What students? Inverse Fourier transform. Write the inverse Fourier transform students. At the place of s, f of s, value to find the value students, we substitute here. Okay students, now I observe here cos x by 2. So I have here e power minus isx. So how can you get cos x by 2? So by suitable substitution. What is substitution students? X is equal to 1 by 2. So you get here minus is by 2. So apply this formula here, we get this. Okay students, finally applying here. See students, this is very important. Even you must know what is even function, what is odd function. Okay students, now see this, odd minus odd into odd minus odd is odd by odd, even. Okay students, finally we get this value is 0. So finally we get only this value. So by cross multiplying or rearranging the terms here, finally I got here minus 3 pi by 16. This problem is very important students. Do it carefully. Hope you understand. Thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind.